In the mystical journey of witchcraft, adopting a magical name symbolizes transformation and the beginning of a new cycle. This sacred practice often takes place during a witch's initiation, but can occur earlier in their path. The magical name represents the seeker's transition from the mundane to the spiritual, embracing the essence of their true self and the potential they hope to embody. Whether you're new to witchcraft or have been walking this path for a while, adopting a magical name is a sacred step in embracing your true spiritual identity. So what is a magical name, and why is it so significant? In many traditions, a magical name represents a new beginning. It marks the end of one cycle, the mundane, everyday life, and the start of a new chapter filled with spirit, magic, and intention. Think of it as a bridge between who you are now and the best version of yourself that you're growing into. Choosing your magical name is deeply personal, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Here are some ways you can find inspiration. Do you resonate with specific spiritual or cultural traditions? Perhaps names from Greek, Egyptian, Celtic, or Norse mythology call to you. Look for role models in mythology, figures who embody the qualities you admire and aspire to. Meditate or use divination tools like tarot or pendulums. Let your intuition guide you to a name that feels right. Reflect on who you want to become. What energy do you want to step into? Your name should symbolize your highest ideals and spiritual goals. Remember, this name will represent the best of who you are and what you hope to achieve through your magical journey. Take your time with this step. It's worth the effort. Once you've chosen your magical name, it's time to claim it through a ritual. This step is powerful. It anchors your new identity and declares your intention to the universe and sacred powers. Let me walk you through a ritual framework you can adapt to make it your own. First, prepare your sacred space. Divide it into two halves. On one side, place symbols, photos, or objects representing your past. These could be things tied to your old identity, lessons you've learned, or challenges you've overcome. On the other side, arrange magical tools and symbols of your future, what you hope to achieve, the energies you want to embody, and your spiritual aspirations. Next, begin the ritual by standing on the side representing your past. Take a moment to reflect on your journey, both the struggles and the triumphs. From this side, pick up only the items that represent positive aspects of your past, things you want to carry forward. Leave behind anything that no longer serves you. Now cross the circle to the side of your future. As you do, imagine yourself shedding old limitations and stepping into the empowered version of yourself that your magical name represents. Once there, pick up an item that symbolizes your new identity. This could be a special piece of jewelry, a crystal, or even your written name on parchment. Now it's time to speak your magical name aloud. Say it 4 times, once to each direction: east, south, west, and north. Move clockwise as you do this, honoring the energies of each quarter. For example, say to east, "I am Moonstone Melody, seeker of wisdom and clarity." Say to south, "I am Moonstone Melody, bearer of passion and transformation." Say to west, "I am Moonstone Melody, keeper of intuition and flow." Say to north, "I am Moonstone Melody, rooted in strength and resilience." After declaring your name, speak your intentions to the sacred powers. Share your desire to grow in mystical knowledge, to embrace the magic within you, and to walk this path with authenticity and courage. Take a few moments to meditate on your new name and feel its energy integrating with your being. When you're ready, close the ritual by thanking the powers, grounding yourself, and dismantling the circle. While your magical name will be most powerful in ritual and spellcraft, you might consider using it more often. In many magical communities, people adopt their magical name as a nickname, allowing its energy to resonate throughout their daily life. Your magical name is more than just a title. It's a declaration of your truest self and the potential you're stepping into. Embrace it fully and let it guide you as you continue your spiritual journey. Thank you for joining me today. May your journey to finding your magical name be filled with insight, inspiration, and empowerment. Blessed be.